Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, head currency analyst. In this video we're going to be taking a look at Aussie US dollar as price is extending higher. Now Aussie US dollar, or the strength of the Australian dollar at the moment is really up there on the strength meter. We looked at it yesterday and on the week ahead analysis video we highlighted that the Australian dollar and the New Zealand dollar at the moment are the strongest currencies, and they are extending their gains against the majority of currency at the moment. They are the two strongest, and one currency that it is extending away against is the US dollar, and we talked about the dollar in yesterday's video about how that it could be weakening in the short term, and Aussies really took advantage of that. Now looking at the weekly time frame here on the left hand side, I want to be trying to identify an area where sellers were really in control of the market and where a sell-off started to begin from. So if you actually look to the left hand side here, I've highlighted this 755 4 area. This area is where we saw a huge turnaround in the market, and we saw a really decent drop around about 500 pips down to the sort of the 0.7 level in here. So that area for me is of interest, and if price can keep climbing to that point, we're either going to see again a similar sell-off or price break through it and use it as potential support for the upside. At the moment, it could be a magnet for price, because what I could see is the fact that there's fresh air above this area here. The market has untested this sort of area recently, and sellers turned price around. So that could be an area that the market is trying to find at the moment in order to test whether they're sellers remaining at that point. Now, if price is going to continue to the upside, what I like to look for is a trend development on the 4-hour time frame, and we can see here price has broken through the highs down here after the consolidation, the highs through here where we most recently have broken out of, and now the kind of major highs around about 74.45. Now because price is doing that, showing us that there is very much a strong trend developing in here. So I want to be looking for key demand zones. Now what I've actually done is highlighted here, if I just bring this onto the screen and kind of put it onto the left hand side so you can see in a little bit more detail, is the volume profile. Okay, so the volume profile is showing us this kind of P pattern at the moment, showing us that basically that the most trading done at the moment is at higher prices. Not only that, we have a very strong high volume level resting about 73.86, which coincides with this demand zone that's been developed here on the 4-hour time frame. So what I'll be looking for in particular is for price to come back into this structure here around about 0.74 and react, and what we could see is price even drop as low as 73.86 to retest in order to then see those buyers coming back into the market. Because if price is going to extend higher, if price is going to reach those highs that we've pointed out on the weekly time frame, then the likelihood is that this uptrend is going to continue, which could provide long opportunities in the short term. So looking for a pullback, looking for a retracement into this high volume area, looking for price to retest it, and looking to see if we get some buyers re-entering the market around this area. So I hope you enjoyed the video update. If you did, leave this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the YouTube channel to watch some more of our Forex trading content, and I'll speak to you in the next video.